Hey everyone, I'm Mike from theparkprodigy.com, and on today's video, we're going to break down everything we know about Epic Universe so far. And we are all really excited for this brand new theme park to be opening up at Universal Orlando Resort in 2025. So we decided to just take a couple minutes and to just fill everyone in at home on everything we know to this point in time. So if you are in the process of planning a Universal Orlando trip, let's say anytime from the summer of 2025 and beyond, or if you're just a huge Universal Orlando fan, just be sure to stick around until the end of this video. As always, I'm very excited, so let's go get started. Thank you all again so much for checking out this video. Like I said, we are about to break down everything we know about Epic Universe so far. So Epic Universe is going to be quote unquote the fourth gate over at Universal Orlando Resort. It's really going to be the third main theme park, and then of course including Volcano Bay, which is Universal's water park. We will now have four amazing parks over at Universal Orlando. So here's everything we know about Epic Universe to this point. So we're going to start with really by far one of the most popular questions on this topic, and that of course is going to be, when does Epic Universe open up? And while Universal Orlando has not announced an official date just yet, insights from the 2021 Q4 meeting pinpoint to the opening in the summer of 2025, and we have not really received notice that that would not be happening. So the other important question that we have been receiving a lot and to keep in mind is, where exactly is Epic Universe located? And this park is going to be situated separately from Universal Studios Florida and Islands of Adventure Park, which is really important to keep in mind. And Epic Universe will be located really right behind Icon Park, and that's about a 15-minute drive, I would say, from the main campus of Universal Orlando Resort. And the other cool thing that I think, for a lot of us theme park fans, is that it is going to be also conveniently, close to Walt Disney World, or at least closer to Walt Disney World as the main two parks at this point in time. So jumping into the fun stuff, and that of course is going to be the lands and the rides that are confirmed for Epic Universe. And so the first land that we do know about is going to be called Celestial Park, and this is the heart of Epic Universe. At the core of Epic Universe lies Celestial Park, a beautifully designed garden that draws inspiration from astrology and astronomical equipment that is directly from Universal. I am not that clever. So the central hub connects the four thematic lands. And moving over to the rides in Celestial Park, we do have Starfall Racers, which is a thrilling dual-track roller coaster by Mack Rides, offering a unique dueling experience. We also have a Constellation Carousel, which is a celestial-themed carousel ride, and this is going to kind of be geared after the Sea Glass Carousel in New York. And then we also have the Astronomica, which is a splash pad area designed for playful water-based interactions, perfect for families and children. So some more confirmed lands are going to be, of course, the very popular Super Nintendo World, where guests will be able to dive into the vibrant world of Nintendo. The land expands beyond the Japanese counterpart and also now in Universal Hollywood, and it's a lot more spacious. So these are not confirmed rides. However, just some of the things that we've seen released from, let's say, the Japanese park, and then of course Universal Studios Hollywood. We have seen a Donkey Kong Mine Kart Madness. We've seen some of the graphics of what that ride is kind of going to look like. So hopefully that will be coming to Universal Orlando. And then of course Mario Kart Koopa's Challenge, which is open in Universal Hollywood. Moving over to next, and probably what I'm most excited about, this is going to be the Wizarding World of Harry Potter, the Ministry of Magic. So guests can step inside the magical bureaucracy of the Wizarding World. And again, just because this is a brand new Wizarding World theme park, I think this is going to be really cool. Another really cool one is going to be Dark Universe, where you can explore the eerie and mysterious realm of Universal classic monsters. And then very recently, we also received some more updated news about How to Train Your Dragon Isle of Berk, where you fly into the world of Vikings and dragons. So jumping into How to Train a Dragon, some of the confirmed rides are going to be the Hiccups Wing Gliders, which is a multi-launch roller coaster that simulates the experience of flying with dragons, offering breathtaking views and heart-pounding drops. We also have Dragon Racers Rally, which is a dual sky fly attraction that puts guests in control of their dragon, challenging riders to outmaneuver each other in aerial combat. We also have Fry Drill, which is a boat ride adventure through the world of Berk, encountering dragons and experiencing the Vikings' way of life. And then the Untrainable Dragon, which is a stage show that brings the heartwarming and humorous tales of dragons and their Viking trainers to life, showcasing the bond between them. Now, jumping over to another really, of course, cool thing, with Epic Universe comes some brand new hotels. The new Universal theme park has been expected to open with 3 brand new Universal hotels: the Terra Luna Resort, Stella Nova Resort, and Universal Grand Helios Resort, which will open with the brand new park, Epic Universe. So Stella Nova and Terra Luna will be located across the street from Epic Universe, and these resorts actually will open up January 21st, 2025, and then February 25th, 2025, respectively. And then each of them are expected to have 750 rooms each. Grand Helios Resort will be located inside Epic Universe, which is really, really cool. And it will have a dedicated park entrance. This is going to be 500 rooms. It's going to be more of a luxurious, we're expecting more of a premier type of resort hotel. So that is really it, everyone. That is essentially everything we know about Epic Universe to this point in time. As always, thank you all again so much for sticking around all the way until the end of this video. And for the most up-to-date Epic Universe news, just be sure to go check out our website, theparkprodigy.com. But I think that's all the time we have for today. Thank you all again so much for checking out this video. And until next time, I will talk to you soon.